Welcome to Chapter 9, Professional Development and Lifelong Learning. In today's rapidly evolving world, learning doesn't stop with a degree. Continuous development and the drive to keep growing are essential for staying competitive and fulfilled in any profession. In this chapter, we will explore 5 important themes: career planning and goal setting, building a professional portfolio, adaptability and lifelong learning, continuing professional education, and self assessment and reflective practice. Let's begin with career planning. Career planning and goal setting. Every successful career starts with a clear plan and meaningful goals. Career planning helps you align your interests and skills with opportunities. Start with self assessment. Understand your strengths, values, and personality traits. Ask yourself, what are my core skills? What environments suit me best? Next, explore career options. Research roles and industries that align with your skills and values. Talk to professionals, attend events, and understand the educational requirements involved. Once you have done that, begin creating your career plan. Set short term goals like completing certifications or gaining specific experience. Then define your long term aspirations, perhaps reaching a leadership role or switching to a new industry. Use the SMART goal framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Finally, break down each goal into tasks, set priorities, and regularly track your progress. Expect obstacles and be prepared to seek support from mentors and your professional network. Continuing professional education, CPE. Learning doesn't stop after formal education. Continuing professional education, or CPE, keeps you updated with industry trends and maintains your professional relevance. CPE includes formal options like workshops, certifications, and conferences, and informal learning like webinars, online courses, and reading journals. Start by identifying your learning needs. Ask yourself, what skills do I need to grow in my current or future role? Then set clear learning goals and develop a CPE plan. Track your progress and review your learning outcomes regularly. While time and cost can be barriers, prioritize the most relevant learning, seek out free or supported options, and make space for growth in your schedule. The benefits: sharper skills, better career opportunities, and a stronger professional network. Building a professional portfolio. A well crafted professional portfolio showcases your experience, achievements, and growth over time. Your portfolio should include a current resume or CV, work samples like reports, designs, presentations, or case studies, certifications, licenses, and awards. Select items that reflect your skills and align with your career goals. Keep the layout clean and organized. Update it regularly as you gain new experience or complete new projects. Create a digital portfolio using LinkedIn or personal websites. For interviews, maintain a physical version you can neatly present. Remember, your portfolio isn't just a storage of documents, it's a reflection of your capabilities and a powerful tool for advancement. Self assessment and reflective practice. To grow professionally, you must first understand yourself. Self assessment is about identifying your strengths and gaps. Use tools like questionnaires, feedback forms, or even simple reflection journals. Gather input from mentors and peers to gain different perspectives. Once assessed, set development goals based on your findings. Now, combine this with reflective practice, the habit of learning from your experiences. Here is how it works. Describe an experience. What happened? What was your role? Analyze your actions. What went well? What didn't? Reflect on lessons learned. How can you improve or repeat success? Then create an action plan based on your reflections. This habit builds self awareness, helps you improve continuously, and makes you a more effective and thoughtful professional. Adaptability and lifelong learning. In a world of constant change, adaptability and lifelong learning are non negotiable. Adaptability means being open to new ideas, adjusting to change, and responding effectively to challenges. It helps during career transitions, new technologies, or unexpected disruptions. You can improve adaptability by embracing change positively, staying flexible with plans, developing strong problem solving skills, and building resilience to bounce back from setbacks. Lifelong learning means committing to personal and professional growth throughout your life. It's about curiosity, not just credentials. Here is how to nurture it: set clear learning goals, engage in courses, read and attend seminars, practice self directed learning, take charge of what and how you learn, reflect and apply your learning in real world scenarios. This mindset keeps you competitive, confident, and constantly evolving. Let's take a moment to summarize what we have learned. Career planning and goal setting give you direction. CPE helps you stay current and competitive. Professional portfolio showcases your growth and achievements. Self assessment and reflection help you improve and adapt. And adaptability and lifelong learning keep you agile and open to opportunities. Professional development isn't a one time task, it's a continuous journey. Whether you're just starting out or are an experienced professional, investing in your growth ensures long term success and satisfaction. As we conclude, remember, your career is not something that happens to you, it's something you create. Take ownership. Set goals. Keep learning. Reflect on your journey. Be proactive. Be adaptable. Be a lifelong learner. Thank you for joining this session on professional development and lifelong learning. Multiple choice questions. What is the primary purpose of career planning? B. To establish short and long term career goals. True and false. Lifelong learning refers to the continuous pursuit of knowledge and skill development throughout one's career. True.